We're here in Home Depot and we're showing you all of the best of the Milwaukee Tool deals here for Christmas 22, and these are also the Black Friday deals. So we're starting right off showing you the buy one get one tool deals from Milwaukee. And just as we showed you the other day with the DeWalt tool deals, we showed you on that video all of the buy one get ones there. They have very similar deals here, and exactly like DeWalt, Milwaukee here has a $599 4-tool kit and a $399 tool kit and a $199 battery starter kit, that if you buy either one of these, you'll get free tools. However, take a closer look at the $599 deal, because if you see that right there, you get 2 free tools, whereas with these other 2 kits, you only get 1 free tool. Now, I'll put links in the video description below for you to all of the deals we're going to show you today. That way you can buy them. And by the way, if you purchase through our links, they're Home Depot affiliate links, and we'll get credit for that too. We'll get a small commission, so thanks for supporting us. And guess what? Sometimes you'll walk into your store and you're going to see an empty spot like this right here anyway. So the $5.99 deal is not even available in the store right now because they've sold out. The $3.99 deal is right here, the 2-tool combo kit with the hammer drill and the impact driver. And of course, the $199 deal here is your Red Lithium XC 5.0 starter kit. So you get 2 5.0 amp hour batteries in this kit. So if you buy either one of these 2 deals, you get to pick whichever one of these tools you want. Now, of course, everybody always goes for the jigsaw is a popular one. By the way, when you're walking around in your stores, if you can find this deal, not with the charger only, but with the 2 batteries in it for $199, snag that, because that was one of our best deals for 2021 here in Home Depot. You were getting about $300 worth of stuff for $199, but this is on the low end to waste it as your free tool though, because look, all these others are like $169, because look, $169 for the hacksaw, but $219 for the impact wrench. That's when you really want to spend it here, is on these guys. Everything else is like $199. You got the inflator, $179, tool only. The multi-tool is $129. So if you can, I would suggest highly that you spend it on the more expensive tools. You want to maximize your buy one get one free deals. You can also get here the Rover light. You can get the sander, the palm sander there, and you can also get the paddle switch grinder. So these are all of your Milwaukee M18 buy one get one free tool deals from the M18 platform. Now, supposing you don't really need a buy one get one, maybe you just want to buy something that's reduced in price. They do have 3 items right up here. Now, I haven't seen these in our store yet here, but for $299, you're getting 3 battery pack here. You're getting an HD 12.0 amp hour battery, and you're getting 2 XC 5.0 amp hour batteries for $299. The other deal that they're giving here is the M18 7.25 inch circ saw kit for $299. So that comes with a battery, a charger, and a bag. There's your circ saw kit right there. So they claim it's worth $487. The last deal here is this brushless M18 fuel Packout wet dry vac for $179. So it's only $20 off. That's all you're ever going to see on these things. They never give you huge breaks on the vacuum cleaners here. So they're saying that it was $219. However, I've only ever seen it here at $199, and even though the sign says $199 as well. So I think this sticker is probably wrong. By the way, just a warning here, a lot of people have told me that they've gone into their stores, and just like this one here, this store got wiped out on Black Friday. I don't know what happened. I was here in the afternoon as well. There were so many people in here, and this got wiped out. So the $199 starter kit for the battery deal for the buy one get one free for DeWalt is already sold out, and even online it's sold out. So you have to use my links below and in the other video for the DeWalt buy one get ones, and just check several times a day. If something you're looking for is sold out, keep on checking. Now over here on the Milwaukee M12 platform, we've got some new kits, and check this one out. I like the deal on this kit. The way these work is if you buy any one of these 3 kits, then you'll get a free M12 battery, which is this guy right here. Yeah, and this is a CP 2.5 battery. What I like about this kit is the price on this is pretty good to begin with, because as you know, this ratchet on its own is $179. This is where I always show you the value of buying some of these things in kit deals like this, because this ratchet by itself right here is $179 all day long in the store. Now 3 years ago, these used to be $149. But they're $179 now due to Joe-flation. And then add to that here the impact, and then 2 batteries, and then a charger and a bag. And these are all brushless. These are fuel. I think this is a good price even to begin with, but buy this now and get a battery thrown in, you're talking about a much better deal. Now here you have the M12. This is the 2-tool combo kit with the drill driver and the impact driver, and you're getting 2 batteries, and I think one of these is a XC 4.0 maybe. Then the other deal here is $189 Hacksaw kit. So buy any one of those and get this guy free. Supposing you don't need any of these tools here, supposing you want something a little simpler, right here for $149 you can get the 2 batteries here. You get the XC 5.0 and you get the CP 2.5 for $149. They also have the 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit, which comes with a battery and a charger and a bag, and this is $99. And then don't forget here the 75-piece shockwave kit, which has all of these pieces in there. Impact duty drive set, man. 1988. So they're giving us this kit for $99, and they say that it has a value of $248. And so the items on this display are supposedly good until January 1st. In addition to those Milwaukee buy one get one free tool deals, we have some other ones that they've got here. So if you buy any of these 2 tools on this list, so these are the more premium tools here, you get this 2-pack of batteries free. And these are the 2 XC 5.0 batteries. Now they say it's worth $279. Sure enough, here's the price right here on the shelf, $279 for these 2 batteries. So what some people do that want to get their hands on the light here, because it's usually like $220, but it's at $199 right now. You could buy that light and another tool and get these 2 batteries for free in that pack, and then some people will hack the deal. So this is where the hack comes. Let's say you want to get that rocket light right there. But even then, I always tell people, don't ever buy that unless you can get it with some kind of a buy one, get one. But if you buy that rocket and some other tool there, and then you get these 2 free, some people will return this, and then Home Depot will refund you somewhere around 50%. So I would say you could probably expect to get around $140 back maybe on this. So this would help reduce the price you paid for the 2 tools. And so that's what a lot of people like to do. It works better even on the buy one get ones too, because that way you don't have to buy 2 tools to take advantage of it. But these are the main tools right here that if you buy any of these right in here, including the nailer, that's the 21-degree framing nailer, then you get these 2 batteries. This is another good deal here too, because I believe when I bought mine here, the top off, I think I paid $99 for it. I can't remember. I bought it a couple of years ago. It gives you a little outlet there. You plug a Milwaukee battery on here and it gives you an outlet, and this also gives you outlets to charge your phones, and this thing has saved my bacon many times. If I'm out somewhere and I don't have a charger with me, yeah, but to get this for $149, that's a pretty good deal, because I can tell you this battery right now on Home Depot's website goes for $179 just by itself. So to score both of these together in that package, great deal. Okay, now Home Depot does have a couple of other special buys here for the Milwaukee Tools for Christmas 2022, and look at this right here. This is your 18-piece impact socket drive, and I love these new sockets they came out with a couple of years ago that have the big white letters engraved on the side of them, so you don't have to try to read shiny chrome with a small imprint. These are just perfect. Now these are regular impact sockets. They are 6-point. They are not deep well, and it also comes with a 1/2-inch socket adapter. So these are $99, and I would probably look into getting here the deep socket one, the 43-piece. Now this store didn't even get any of these in, I don't think, but I'll put links to all of these down in the video description below for you, so at least you can order them online. A lot of this stuff you're gonna have a hard time finding now, and I don't think they're getting any more in, because typically what they do is they bring in these displays, and whatever sells, they sell, and if not, it goes on clearance right after January 1st. And I wanted to show you these too. These aren't necessarily on sale. They claim they're a special buy. I do have this smaller one. I like this one here, the Packout tumbler. So these here, see how they're grooved on the bottom? They'll slip onto the top of any of the Milwaukee Packout boxes. So I mix all my protein drinks in here, and I take this to the gym with me. And they've also got a larger one here. If these go on sale, I will probably buy this larger one, the 30-ounce tumbler. Holds a little bit more water there. So $29.88 and $34.88. And you can see them here side by side, how they look. I have to tell you, in addition to the buy 2, get 1 free deals right here, they have a couple of additional savings deals, and I really like this kit right here, because look at this, what you're getting here. For $199, they're giving us the high torque. This is the M18 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench and the 3/8-inch ratchet. This ratchet, as you know, I just showed you, goes for $179 if you were to buy it by itself on the shelf. Okay, so pay $20 more and you get a high torque impact wrench, and you get an XC 3.0 battery and an M12 battery here. So you're getting 2 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag, all for $199. This is an incredible deal. They claim it's worth $515 if you bought everything separately. This is a stellar deal right there. A lot of people always say, hey, you know what? I don't need to buy a whole kit. I just want either an impact driver kit or I want a drill driver kit, and I want it brushless. Well, here you go. So for $99, they're giving us our choice. Just like the deals I showed you over at Lowe's with the DeWalt impact and drill driver, similar type kits, just like this, for $99. And they come with the battery and the tool and the charger and the bag. Okay, also for $99, and I think we're out of stock, but it was a 2-pack of the CP 3.0 amp hour batteries. And I still think these are a little bit overpriced. And you know what? For this price, for $29.97, for 23 pieces, I mean, it's not too bad, but come on, where is the half-inch? They never seem to give us the half-inch. Now, Milwaukee has here, this is the 15-gauge finish nailer. And this is at, they don't have a price on the sign here, but I scanned it in. It's $299 down from $329. So again, with the nailers, you're not always going to save a whole lot of money. Sometimes we find it's like $20, $30, or $40 off. These here for $19.97, but I always tell people to wait, because usually the last week of December, these start dropping down to $14.99. We gave away a whole lot of these last year on our tool giveaway, so you guys saw me buying these on several of my live streams, and the lowest price I paid for these was $9.99 up in the Boca Raton Home Depot store when they got into the clearance aisle. Okay, now this is a decent deal here. This is the 7-piece hole dozer kit, the bimetal hole saw. Now these are $10 off. These are normally priced at $39 in here. It's only 7 pieces, but it really is the most common sizes you're going to use. So I have one of these. I bought them a few years ago on Black Friday. They did take $10 off here of the 20-piece oscillating tool set, and it's got the titanium on there, as you can see. So here you go, down to $39.88. I would still like to see these go cheaper. Guess what, folks? Finally, Milwaukee came out with a Sawzall blade set that actually satisfies me. So this is your 13-piece set, and what I like about this is it comes with that new blade, the Wrecker, with the nitrous right there, nitrous carbide. This thing is supposed to be a beast. And guess what? It also comes with the axe and the torch. So I had been complaining for 2 years that they hadn't given us a good set, and this I think was a good mixed set of blades for us right here. $25.97. Now we have a new lower price on the cutoff wheel tool, the 3-inch. I have this at home, I like it, so they're down to $99. And of course they got all their other tchotchkes here. I have one of these at home here. I picked up one of these last year. This is the 10-pocket safety vest here. $14.97 down from $19.97. The sunglasses are down $5, and the regular performance glasses as well. So this is all of our Home Depot Milwaukee tool deals for Christmas of 2022. Thank you so much for joining us today, folks, and we'll see all of you on the next one.